You're watching Bike Buzzin', the place where two wheels meet technology, touring, and adrenaline. In this video, we're diving deep into the brand new 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT, a touring machine that's not just refined but redefined. Whether you're a longtime Goldwing enthusiast or just curious about Honda's latest engineering marvel, stay tuned. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a shift in what the future of touring motorcycles can be. GCT, what does it mean? The big headline for 2025 is that Honda has introduced the Goldwing GCT, with GCT standing for Goldwing with continuously variable transmission. That's right, for the first time in the Goldwing's long and storied history, Honda has dropped its traditional DCT in favor of a newly developed CVT, a bold move aimed at improving smoothness, efficiency, and ease of use. The GCT represents a major step forward in motorcycle transmission technology. While CVTs have existed in scooters and smaller bikes for years, Honda has re-engineered the concept from the ground up to match the demands of a heavyweight touring machine. The result? A transmission that delivers seamless acceleration with no shift shock, perfect for riders who value comfort and smoothness on those long highway stretches. Design evolution, familiar but futuristic. From the outside, the 2025 Goldwing GCT doesn't throw away what made the Goldwing iconic, it evolves it. The silhouette is instantly recognizable, but with sharper bodywork, slightly more aggressive lines, and improved aerodynamics. Honda has made subtle refinements to the front fairing and side panels to improve wind deflection, reduce buffeting, and boost overall rider comfort. New LED lighting and a reworked front fascia give the GCT a more futuristic presence, while maintaining the stately, dignified stance that Goldwing riders love. Available in new premium color options, including a deep metallic red and a striking graphite black, the GCT commands attention even at a standstill. The CVT experience, how it changes the ride. One of the most talked about changes in the 2025 GCT is how different the riding experience feels with the new CVT. Riders report incredibly smooth roll-on acceleration with no perceptible gear changes. There's no hunting for the right gear on uphill climbs or low-speed maneuvers, it simply adapts, delivering torque exactly when and where you need it. But don't let the smoothness fool you, for Honda has added simulated shift points in sport mode for riders who still want a traditional feel during spirited riding. This means you get the best of both worlds, an ultra-smooth experience for cruising, and a more engaging feel when carving through mountain passes. Powertrain, still a boxer beast. Underneath the new transmission lies the heart of the Goldwing, a 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine that remains largely unchanged for 2025. This engine has always been about silky smooth torque and effortless highway cruising, and the CVT only amplifies those qualities. Peak horsepower remains around 125, but it's the low-end torque and the way it's delivered that make this bike so perfect for long-haul touring. Fuel efficiency has also improved slightly, thanks to the transmission's ability to keep the engine in its most efficient power band. On average, riders can expect a few more miles per gallon compared to the previous DCT model. Touring tech and comfort features. Touring comfort remains a top priority on the 2025 Goldwing GCT. The seat has been redesigned with denser foam for long-distance support, and both rider and passenger ergonomics have been fine-tuned for all-day comfort. The electric windscreen now offers greater range and better wind protection, especially for taller riders. On the tech side, Honda has added an upgraded infotainment system with a crisper display, faster processor, and improved compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The navigation system now includes real-time traffic updates, and the audio system has been retuned for deeper bass and better clarity at highway speeds. Heated seats, heated grips, cruise control, and reverse assist all return, along with the standard Honda Smart Key system. A new touring mode preset allows riders to save their preferred settings for suspension, throttle response, and infotainment, making setup faster every time you hit the road. Chassis and handling. Despite its size, the Goldwing has always surprised riders with its composure and agility. The 2025 GCT takes that reputation further with revised suspension tuning and a lighter CVT assembly, slightly reducing overall weight. The front suspension remains a double wishbone setup, which isolates bumps and keeps the front end stable under braking. The rear suspension has been revised to better handle passenger and luggage weight. As a result, the ride is smoother, more predictable, and more comfortable than ever, especially on long rides or uneven roads. Braking duties are handled by linked ABS, with plenty of stopping power from the dual front discs and rear single-disc setup. Honda has also improved the electronic brake assist system, which now responds more quickly during panic stops. Who is the Goldwing GCT for? The 2025 Goldwing GCT is ideal for a wide range of riders. For seasoned tourers, it offers familiar comfort with cutting-edge refinements. For newer riders or those moving up from smaller touring bikes, the CVT makes riding more accessible by eliminating the learning curve of traditional shifting. And for those who simply want to enjoy the ride without thinking about gears, the GCT is an effortless highway cruiser that lets you focus on the scenery, not the mechanics. It's clear Honda is targeting both the traditional touring crowd and a new generation of riders who want maximum tech, comfort, and ease of use. Final thoughts: the future of touring? The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT is more than just a new model, it's a glimpse into the future of motorcycle touring. By replacing the DCT with a next-gen CVT, Honda is challenging conventional thinking and proving that innovation doesn't have to sacrifice performance or excitement. This is still very much a Goldwing at heart, comfortable, capable, and built for the long haul. But with a new transmission, upgraded features, and a renewed focus on smooth, connected riding, the GCT may very well be the beginning of a new era in touring motorcycles. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Buzzin'. If you found this deep dive into the 2025 Goldwing GCT helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more motorcycle news and reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Got thoughts on the new CVT Goldwing? Drop your comments below, we'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep the buzz alive.